Friends, in practice, in your profession, or in an exam, you will encounter subnetting problems, and you will be expected to troubleshoot and resolve those problems. So, I'm going to give you a subnetting cheat sheet. In fact, I'm going to teach you how to create for yourself a subnetting cheat sheet. With this cheat sheet, you'll be able to troubleshoot or resolve any subnetting issue you will encounter in practice or in an exam. One of the first steps is to take 1 from the right and keep doubling it up until 128 to the left. And the second step is taking 255 and minusing each unit from the one that you doubled to 128 from the 255. And then lastly is to taking the CIDR or CIDR notation and deducting 1 all the way to the number in accordance with 128 at the bottom. So these are the 3 steps. Let me show you how to do them. Remember, we said that we are basically going to start with 1 and double it up until we reach 128. From the right side all the way to the left side. So we're going to take 1 times by 2, 2 times by 2, which is 4, 4 times by 2, 8, 8 times by 2, all the way till we get to 128. Then we are going to deduct the top row from 256 like this. 256 minus 1, 256 minus 2, 256 minus 4, minus 8, 16, all the way to the end up until we get the bottom number. So these bottom number here are the subnets, 255, 254, 252, 248, 240, all the way till the number underneath 128, right? So after that, we are then going to get the CIDR notation, and the CIDR notation is obviously the /32, 31, /30, all the way till 25, which is exactly under 128, and that's the exact CIDR notation of each subnet, right? So this is the cheat sheet. So most of the problems you encounter will be resolved by these, and then we'll obviously break it down into 3 groups, which is the group size, the subnet mask, and the CIDR notation. All right. So with this, you're then ready to obviously face whatever subnetting issue that exists. You'll be able to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. All right, guys. Now remember, we're going to do the first step, which is 1 to 128 from left to right, and then so we're going to start with 1, double it up until we reach 128. Don't forget left to right. All right. And then afterwards, we are going to subtract the top row from 256, just like this. Minus 2, 256 minus 4. We do that all the way to the end, 256 minus 128. And then lastly is the CIDR notation, which is 32, left to right, going down. 32, 31, 30. All the way to the end. There we go. And then these belong into 3 distinct groups, right? And these groups are known as the network size or the group size, and then we've got the subnet mask, and then the CIDR notation, which is the last slash number, right? So once you have this cheat sheet, guys, and you go into your examination or in your network engineer practice, you will not waste time in regard to troubleshooting or resolving any issue you have with a subnet mask, right? So that is that. All right. So thank you very much, guys. I trust and hope that you've committed this lesson to memory. Should you encounter any subnet mask issue which you have to troubleshoot or resolve in practice or in the exam, you will definitely not waste time to be able to come up with a solution. It should be a piece of cake. So thank you very much. This is Networking with Kwame. Have a good one.